was very clear with the vision when I started this makeup studio, Krushhh by Konica. The whole concept behind Krushhh by Konica was to create a more serene and a comfortable atmosphere for my brides, because they are already under so much of pressure and anxiety on their special day. I have meticulously chosen calming color schemes and have introduced lush green plants in my studio. Because I think they make the atmosphere more relaxing and peaceful. Welcome to Krushhh by Konica. Our purpose is not just to apply makeup. Rather than it is about curating an experience where the journey to look and feel beautiful is more significant than the final look.